Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to solve this issue. I'm getting uncatch error call to undefined function, CodeIgniter Autoloader MB strpos. Okay, so in my case, I was trying to host my local project to live for the testing, and I'm getting this issue because the my php and I is missing the mbstring extension. So if you also want to study by yourself how to solve the issue, just go to ChatGPT and paste it to your in command. Okay, so it will directly give you the extension name which is missing. Like we have here missing MB string, and let's copy this, and from the shared hosting you have to go to I have right now multiple PHP version in different websites right now, so that's why I need to go to multi PHP editor, PHP.ini editor, and I'll select the website, and I'll just update the extension name here. Okay, that's MB string. Okay, so let's save this and let's go back and see. So my this issue is solved, and there is one more uh, extension is missing. That is MB local. Let's also give that to the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT let us know. So we are also missing the Intel extension. Okay, so let's go to the same file, and I just copy this, and we'll add one more extension here. That's Intel. Okay, go to that and just replace this and save. Now, if we go back and refresh the page, so you can see that's working fine. So this is how you can fix the issues. And if you have any curious question, feel free to comment below, subscribe to the channel, like the video.